You could see how the burial is ongoing there, right? Everything is in place. This one is the edition of the legendary actors and actresses all present at this one. Mr. Ibu truly did a lot for the Nollywood industry in Nigeria, and trust me, he deserved more. He deserved even more than the way he's been celebrated today. But well, we thank God that even after the sickness consumed most of the money people contributed for his health, hoping that he will stay alive, he still died. But it's still very beautiful to see that even in his death, we are still here celebrating even after he has gone. Like I said earlier in my previous video, this is an edition of where you see the likes of Dauda, the likes of Charles Anworum. These are people who they work together back in the days when Nollywood was still the Nollywood we all enjoy as kids and as young ones. Anyway, enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you. What a mistake! We blew the
I did video.
All this Nollywood is just beautiful. It's one of the most beautiful places you can ever think of finding yourself. And yes, though the love, they have their own problems there as well. No much love, a lot of will I say disadvantage is there, is applicable there. But we thank God that they all came out. They have started realizing that one day they will all leave this world. So the unity is coming together, and yes, you could see how massively they came out to celebrate and wish Mr. Ibu a wonderful farewell. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video.